Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. She usually. Her lunch at 1 p.m. every day. Right answer is A has. I could not open the door because my key's at home. Right answer is C had left. They for a walk when it started to rain. Right answer is C, we're going. The teacher asked us if our homework. Right answer is B, had done. She, to complete the project before the deadline. Right answer is A is trying. If I were you, I accept that offer. Right answer is C would. She is very tired because she all night. Right answer is A was working. If she had studied harder, the exam. Right answer is B would have passed. I will give you a call when I'm home. Right answer is C, get. There, a lot of noise outside last night. Right answer is B was. He often late to work, which annoys the manager. Right answer is C, arrives. The room was empty, no one there. Right answer is B, was. My best to solve the problem, but I couldn't. Right answer is A, tried. He, a new laptop because his old one stopped working. Right answer is C, bought. She very hard these days to prepare for the exam. Right answer is A, is studying. They were shocked because they had not been. About the changes. Right answer is be told. My uncle, who lives in Australia, us next month. Right answer is C, will visit. He to the gym regularly before he got injured. Right answer is B, used to go. The movie was interesting, but it too long. Right answer is C, lasted. I don't know how she managed to complete the work, so. Right answer is B, quickly. He speaks Spanish. He were a native speaker. Right answer is A, as if. The book on the table when I entered the room. Right answer is B, was lying. She was the only one who. The correct answer. Right answer is B, gave. She told me she'd come if she finished her work. Right answer is C, would.